What's up, guys? Nice to see you. Welcome back to another video. We're going to be talking all about Armenia's new machine gun. So this year marked the first military parade in a decade in Armenia for the Republic Day on the 28th of May 2026 this year. And the parade offered a glimpse that was clear into the country's changing defense posture as Armenia showcased a range of newly acquired weapons amid a broader effort to reduce its reliance on Russian arms and ammunition while modernizing. So, for decades, if you didn't know, Armenia, like many former Soviet states of the past, depended heavily on Soviet era systems and later Russian supplies to sustain its military inventory, and that legacy shaped not only its equipment but also its logistics and ammunition stockpiles. But it appears to be expanding its procurement network and seeking new partners abroad as well, and one of the most notable shifts in small arms is the introduction of weapons chambered in 7.62 NATO, and this caliber adds a fresh layer of complexity to Armenia's supply chain and may be a glimpse of the replacement of their legacy Soviet Russian weapons and calibers, right? So among the foreign suppliers gaining attention is India, which has emerged as a significant partner in recent Armenian purchases. During the Republic Day parade, though, medium machine guns of Indian origin were displayed, interestingly enough, revealing a continuing effort to diversify sources of Armenia's military hardware. Now, so these new weapons, guys, reportedly first appeared in Armenian service last year of 2025 before being publicly shown in their parade, and the machine gun is reportedly a licensed and locally adapted version of the Mag 58 design. Some sources simply designate it as a 7.62 medium machine gun, while others refer to it as the OFB or ARDE 7.62 GPMG. Lakesh Machines Ltd. reportedly developed the modified machine gun in collaboration with India's Armament Research and Development Establishment, or ARDE, and the Mag 58 was originally produced under license by the Ordnance Factories Board since its dissolution and reforming in 2021, and the new machine is reportedly produced by Lakesh Machines Ltd. So the design appears to retain the general layout and operating concept of the Mag 58 while incorporating mods such as a reduced weight receiver, reportedly 25% lighter, possibly putting it in the 19.5 pound range, under 20 pounds, than the legacy Mag 58, and other changes intended to suit local production requirements and even reduce costs. So, whatever the exact technical designation, the weapon represents more than just a new machine gun for Armenia. It also reveals a wider strategic shift in the Armenian military, kind of moving away from single source dependence and towards a more diversified arms procurement model, for better or worse, of course. And other unknowns include the Armenian designation and the scale of the new machine guns integration. So for Armenia, the parade was not only a kind of symbolic and ceremonial event, it was also a signal of them developing further partnerships in their evolution and modernization, and an armed forces increasingly shaped by suppliers beyond its traditional Russian orbit. Just a quick little news video, guys. Drop a thumbs up. A like is greatly appreciated. It really helps me out. Type us a comment down below of what you thought about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, that way you don't miss any stuff that I post in the future, and check out and take a look at the older stuff on the channel. See you guys in my next one.